Hi guys, so today I got some new news. So I reviewed the Dog Day plush, the Bobby Bear Hug plush, and then the first character that doesn't have the button nose is Bubba Fint, and now we got another package. So now but make sure to like and subscribe. In 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay, now this is the package. So now let's open it, and yeah, it's the official craftycorn plush. Yeah, so she's kind of cool. Yeah. Oh wait, it's so hard. They put so much layers on the package, so it's kind of hard. And then this craftycorn. Oh, look at it, craftycorn. Wow, and the playtime toe. Oh, it's so sick. Craftycorn. See, luckily they have those what's it called? Like the circle so she could breathe. I don't know what it is. Where's the circle? Oh, there it is. But now it's trying to get her out. Oh my gosh. Now we have. Oh, wow. The official craftycorn. Oh, wow. Oh. I want to be careful of it because there's like, oh my gosh, it is stuck already. Let me try fixing it. I don't know if I fixed it. They have those thing that you put their hands in now. Oh, and then they have these horns. Let me fix it for a second. I'm gonna be AFK for a while. So hard to get the craftycorn charm fix. It's so hard. I don't want to break it. I could honestly break the charm. Oh, why did they order girl? Why did craftycorn came like this? It's a little funny. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, they have those one things.
Good morning.
And then they have those.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna fix the zipper soon. But the details, the tail, and then the horn, cool. The ears are cool. I'm gonna try fixing the charm because the charm is like this. And then yeah, it's cool. Let me just take off the tag. Bam. Yeah. I don't know if I could undo the zip thing. But I think I can't do the zipper thing because it's honestly yeah, it's honestly stuck and I don't want to break the zippers. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye. Soon I'll order my Kick and Chicken plush. So bye.